Hey, family, friends, and fellow gamers. Welcome to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I'm the Grumpy Gnome. A little bit grumpy right now. Let's get into it. Oh, shoot. Today's one of those Murphy's Law days, as you can tell by the start. So far, everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Let me talk you through it as we do this second quest here. Anyway, what's been going on? My day started when I got a notice that this program, Steel Series, I think it's, I don't know, maybe it's some kind of a program for, I'm so glad we're my pals, yeah. Anyway, Steel Series gave me a notification that, hey, well, there we go. I need to install this thing to do something, and I guess it's some kind of performance thing or whatever. But whatever the heck the Steel Series is, it totally cut the sound on my laptop. And I went into all my settings and everything, into the game settings, and tried to fix the sound. And I finally concluded that whatever this thing is, it wasn't worth the headache of trying to fix my sound, so I uninstalled it. It was like, away with you, beggar. And so that's how, if I die here, I'm going to be so, yeah. So anyway, that is how my day started. Then I finally get my sound running again. And I get halfway through a recording. We've already done our first quest. And I get a phone call. So, that interrupted that. And I normally would have ignored the phone call. Except, man, you're kind of sucky, aren't you? I would have normally just ignored it, but yeah, okay, kill the raider boss. Gotta be this way. Okay, I'm glad they're so confident that they're going the right way. Anyway, yeah, we just got a lot of issues going on right now. Whoa, we got us a Crumpin sword, one of those orky weapons. And we'll gladly take that. So anyway. Nothing here. Almost there. Got our teddy bear. Going down. So anyway. We just got a lot of issues going on. Plus we're in the process of moving. So I'm trying to motivate myself right now to move about 30 boxes into a storage unit. So I figure I'm going to go ahead. I'll run these recordings, and then I'll just set them for processing. And then while they're processing, I can get out of here. Oh, thank goodness, someone found us. Now, what are the chances that they're going to say, take us back to your vault? You have to help us. That Minuteman left us. We could find... Okay, before we could find a way out of here, said someone else needed his help and disappeared. Well, okay, that shows you what he thinks about you guys. Was his name Preston? Did he mention where he was going? Well, let's start with that. Yeah, that's the one. Left us here, headed to the factory across the river road. His gang of raiders. Okay. Stay sharp. Giddy up, Buttercup. I'm going to take that. And once again, total idiots, you know. It's like, hey, you guys rescued us. You look strong. We want to go back to your vault. No, we'd rather hang out here with the raiders. Because we're unintelligent. Let's just say that. The vault really needs a massage therapist. So much tension in my shoulders. Okay. Good to know. Let's go. I was just trying to remember, did I even set the timer for 30 minutes or for 15? And it's like, yeah, I did. Oh man, I'm sorry I'm a little bit mopey in this one. You know, like I said, this day is not off to a great start. And I don't know if you believe in those kind of things, like if a day starts bad, it's probably going to be bad. So when did you get back to the vault? We're still gonna, yeah, you guys can all hang out together. That looks like a bowling shirt. You got to level up there. Let's see if we can save that for when we actually need it. But probably not. So we'll level you up right after this. And there's that. And let's level you up. Okay, check for shiny. And I don't see any here. Let's go ahead and head on back. And you know, I'm going to... A relentless raider sword. So that's what the orky sword is called. Amplified plasma rifle. That sounds sweet. Okay, return. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and expedite their return because we've got a crap ton of people. Oh, that's it. We'll do that. It just dawned on me that I probably should have sent people out. Anyway, here we go. Sell the commons. Yeah, we're going to do that. We'll collect everything else. That's cool. Okay. And that's probably a duplicate. Bug juice. I don't know. Maybe I think bug juice is my new squirrel. You know, it's like, there it is. Anyway. Oh, shoot. Hey, there's... Oh, really? Okay, now they're all dead out there. Oh, here they come. Just banging through my door. Saying, we're the Death Claws, and we're gonna wreck your vault. Okay, can we get off? See, here they come. Elder, do some crumping with that hydrant. Here we go. Well, one's down, two's down. Okay, I'm clicking on all of you guys. God darn it! Is this really a defect in this game? And where the hell is my pause button? Whoa! How did that happen? Well, I thought that was only a cheat. And they all fall down. Sure. Go ahead. See if I care. Wayne Berry died. Wayne, we need to get you a better weapon. Stats. You got a 16-17. You know, just for fun, let's give all of these guys this. Maybe they are firing it and we're just not seeing it. Are you a level 50? No. You're pathetic right now too. God, man, all these guys are sucking in here. Are you a level 50? Whoa, hello. You are. And you've got some kind of awesome weaponry. Gene. And you've got something. Is this thing really awesome? It is awesome. Okay. So do you like have the worst weapon here? 17-19. What is your weapon? That's better. Anna, what you got? 17-19. That's better. Let's go back to your 1719. Oh, wow. No. Is that the 1719? No. You. There we go. Take a missile launcher. See what you can do with that. And you know what? I need to keep an A suit on her. Okay, now we'll see how well or how unwell this area does. Okay, we don't have anybody out here. Of course we do. We have a bunch of dead people. Now, how did that happen? Because when I checked this morning, everybody was still up, and I don't understand this. You know what? I want to recall you guys. Recall. Oh, man. This is one of those days where I just probably should not have logged in. See, these guys were alive and well. See, just like this. 5 stim packs left. He's happy. Look at that smile on his face. Can't think of anywhere else he'd rather be right now. Look at her. She's all happy too. Come on home. He's happy. Everybody's happy because they're finding stuff in the wasteland. Recall. So anyway, these guys are probably 12 hours. Yeah, it's going to be tomorrow morning by the time they get home. Oh, that's all right. What am I doing? This way. Let's recall them. Nuts on a biscuit. Recall. Recall. Sounds like a cough drop commercial. Recall. Did it anyway. Here we go. Are we almost done with these guys? And you, what a sad looking pathetic face. They threw me out here. He told me to run. So anyway, I think that's 17 out of 17. They're gonna come on home. Let's go ahead and level up some people because now we got time. Well, there's a maxed out person. Let's see, we got any other max? I really wonder if developers like Bethesda, do they still concern themselves with comments, criticism that is received from gamers? I mean, especially with a game like Fallout Shelter, that it hasn't seen any kind of updates. It hasn't seen any new additions. I don't even think anybody even dusted the game off in quite a while. But it's one of those things, I guess it's almost like a vending machine. That if, it's just kind of there. And it serves itself. Where, the people will go to the vending machine and they'll put their money into it and they'll get what they want. And then every once in a while, the owner of the vending machine will come back and just fill it up. But it really just takes care of itself. And I wonder if that's the way these games run. It's like they develop them, they launch them, and then it's like self-serve at the supermarket. Self-checkout. Where you don't need a cashier anymore, you don't need anybody there. And every once in a while, they might have to go in there and do something. But, okay, recall. There's 15 recall. I think that was it. Yep, that was it. Alright, let's keep an eye on Happy and Crappy. See what they're up to. And then what else are we gonna do? Well, we got our people lining up to come in. We got a couple rooms that we need to take care of. And then we will 3 people in this room. That's not good. But it doesn't really look like, we're in dire need to have any more people in there. Room on fire. Well, all right, guys, get in there. Put out the fire. I know. Come on. All right, doing the gritty. Okay, they're gonna put that fire. He's running the wrong way. What? Okay. Does anybody see this cap thing? There he is. Oh boy. Oh wow, you're hurting? Of course, you guys just had to fight off death claws. Oh man. Anyway, we're gonna cheer up here shortly. Now I'm just wondering, if... we missed him. Maybe I need to turn the volume up a little bit higher so I can hear these guys. Do we see anything? I see you dancing. I lost the bottle. Is he getting freaky in the storage room? Oh, there he is up there. Okay. Let's see. Where are you going? He's going to get freaky in the storage room. With the Mr. Handy. Boy, that's quite the narrative. Alright. Come on out of there. Your buddy's leaving. Go catch up to him. Hey. Wait for your buddy. Alright. So in a perfect world, he's going to go up here. He's going to go out there. And then we can get back on. No, he's... Alright, whatever. Yeah, it looks like we're still... Well, I don't know. We saw a dip right there. I was going to say, it looks like we're kind of recovering. We'll get that room fully manned. Alright, let's collect. Okay, and now let's go ahead and get back into Vault Life. Let's first of all go ahead and take my power back. Nuts. Let's do this. It's a pet. It's another bird. Star. Damage resistance. You know what? I really need to throw this guy. You know who I'm going to give this to? I think I'm going to give this dude to Elder. Is that what I need to do? Yeah, I think I'm... Doon. There's Creepy. Should we look for him? I'm really wondering if you guys are like finding him right away and you're saying, there he is. And, I'm just so frustrated that I can't ever find this guy. I mean, this almost... Yeah, I can't find him. As if I wasn't frustrated enough already. Man, he's sticking around for quite a while. Screw it. Maybe he's already gone. I don't know. What am I doing? Okay, well, let's check objectives. Looks like we got us another one. Raise the I don't know how that happened. Especially since we didn't make any more babies. That one's going to be no problem. Rad scorpions. Complete 6 quests discovered in the waste. Okay, so 1 of 6. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, let's fill some rooms here. What do you got? You got no vacancy. What do you got? You got 1. Who needs to pee? Do we go to these guys? No, everybody who's on. So, well, it looks like everyone on coffee break is maxed out at P. So we're going to do the next best thing, and we're going to go to level. Where's my highest level who needs P? Natalie. I don't know. Well, I'm assuming she's working on strength. Let's pull somebody out of a room. Coffee break, P. Well, I guess anything that we pull them out of is going to be pulling them out of a room. Science Center, Nuka-Cola, Gaming Center, Strength. Otherwise all they're going to be doing is jumping from one room to another. And that's kind of defeats the purpose. Here, we'll take a cafeteria worker. Get some P action going on. Okay. Now, the room I'm most concerned with is the eye. Because I think this is the room that we totally neglected in the beginning. And... oh, wow. Okay, he's going into the C room. You're going into the I room. Okay, that's done. Let's go down to the C room and get that one level 50 in here. Ah, nuts on a biscuit, really? I'm going to kick out the lowest person here. Level 12. Yeah, you get out of here. And we're going to bring in... this is the C room. Right there. Emil. Come on in. It is time we start max. We should have been doing this a long time ago with this min-max stuff. A room. We got room for 2 in the A room. Okay, what do we got going on? Emil, you just went to the club. You're going to the I room next. Wow, you've got 1 more blip to go before you're maxed. We're in the A room. Who needs some A action? A action. Who needs it? Right there. You're in the fitness room right now. I guess I'm going to leave you in there. Because once again, it defeats the purpose to pull them out of one room just to stick them into another. Weapon station. Coffee break. A. You're going to be one of them. And let's go down the list until we find the next contestant on who needs some A. Gaming Center, Strength Center, Fitness, Nuka-Cola, Club, Nuka-Cola, Fitness, Weapons, Strength, Weapons, Club. Man. Coffee break, A. Weapons, Club, Cafeteria, A. Clinic. We can pull somebody from the clinic and then fill it with someone else. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, really? Why do they go into the storage room? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, guys, get them. Get them before they go away. before they spread. Come on, guys, get them. Go get them. Do not let them get away. Do not let them get away. Come on, guys. Yes! Dun 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 dun. This is how we do it. Alright. Those rooms are all filled. Now let's go back and fill these rooms. You've got 6. Because we just gave everybody high-powered weapons. You've got 6. I wonder if somebody in this room can use a weapons upgrade. That's a decent weapon. Decent weapon. What, has everybody got a pulse laser? Or whatever, pulse rifle thing. Some kind of alien pistol-y thing. It's another pulse laser thingy. Okay, that's good. You know, I guess they're happy. This reactor. How many people we got there? They're full. I'm not concerned with their weaponry at this moment. We need somebody in this Nuka-Cola plant. Let's take Beverly. You know what? I wonder, is there anybody in here? We can put Beverly in here. Because we have some people who are not. Like Jean is 48. If we pull Jean out and put Beverly in, no more dwellers with pets can be assigned. Okay. So Beverly, where are you? Ah, no, go away. Okay, we'll worry about that later. Let's continue. Maybe this is what we need to do. Go in here and physically pull out that person. And was it you? Yep. So let's pull you out. Get you out here. Give you 1, 2. Take that away. We got any pistols? There you go. Have a pistol. And explore. And now we can bring in Beverly. Nuts. We got to get rid of her pet first. Okay, where's Beverly at? I guess this will tell us. Beverly. There's Beverly. Where are you? There she be. Oh, looking as pretty as can be. Gonna give you a guided missile launcher, and we're gonna take away your pet. Okay, you know, how about some healing resistant? Oh, no more pets in that room. And is this the best thing for you? You need an A dress. Oh, heck yes, that is good for you. Close. You know, I'm just gonna grab you, and we're gonna do this the conventional way. Get in there. Okay. So, she should be on her way up, hopefully. I guess we can always check the roster. No. Whoa, do I have another vacancy? Did she just displace somebody? I mean, how stupid would that have been? Wayne is on coffee break. What's up with that crap? No more dwellers assigned to this room. Really? Then who's this? Or is it the no more dwellers with the pets assigned to this room? Elder, maybe you need to get rid of your pet. Whose pet is that? Yours? +2 damage? Guess what? I don't think so. Now, let's get Wayneberry in here. Wayne Berry. Wayne, where are you? Coffee break. Yep, Wayne Berry's our man. Boom. There we go. Now we're back to where we want to be. We've got a couple level ups here. I'm pretty sure this room was full, but we'll check anyway, because we're all about filling rooms right now. And you know what? We're probably going to do one more thing before we leave, and then that's send somebody out on a quest. All right, these rooms don't really matter much, so I'm just going to grab coffee breakers. And let's get the low-level dudes in there. In E. Maybe we can't do that. Because I need the level 40s for the, here, this dude. Jacqueline, get in there. And she's already got, I think that is an E outfit. I don't know what outfit John has on. Let's take a quick look. Where's John? He should stand out like a sore thumb. Is that John? Actually, both of these guys. Is that an E outfit? Yeah, it kind of sort of is. That's a better one. But I probably want to save that for the quests. And that's definitely not an E outfit. And you know what? He shouldn't have that. Okay, we'll just give you this. 39. Christian Sanders. Man. I don't know. Wow, 16 to 28 for those swords? Cool. Let's give them one. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. This room, 3. There's only 5 in there? Okay, we want an I person. Well, nobody really has any eye action going on, do they? Oh, let's put a... That would be a good quester. Let's throw Olivia in there. And we'll keep an eye on Olivia when she comes, because I just want to make sure that she has the proper outfit on. Where is she? Where is Olivia? Olivia! There she be. And that looks like an eye outfit. I plus 3. Is that the best you can? Ah, nuts. Ah! I plus 5. Give that to you. And you know what? We can upgrade you to one of these nice pistols. Take a little rusty one. We'll upgrade her later. Okay, now they're jamming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. I think we got 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. This room looks like it needs somebody. No, wow, we need a couple in here. We need some S actions. Well, you're obviously going in since you need to get some experience. And do we have another low-level S here? I'm almost ready to take the hit with the... Wow, how many people we got on coffee break? 4? Well, let's see. We'll take Albert, stick him in there. And then we will... I don't even know what room I'm in. I think I'm in this room here. Okay, room on fire. Good, there's people in there. And actually, let's go ahead and give you your level. I should have done that afterwards. Okay. I don't even know what room we were filling. This one here? That doesn't look like the right weapon. So we need to give you an S weapon, huh? No, you know what? You're still leveling up. I want to give you E. And that kind of is an E outfit. But do I have one that goes ES? Right there. Yeah, they're in reverse order, though. Take that. Where's my other dude down here? Was it you? S plus 4. And you're still leveling up. Guess you're going to get that also. What are you wearing? Oh, we're going to upgrade you. No, that's plasma rifles. Have a rusty pistol. And you've got an eye outfit on. That's not proper. You're still leveling up. I think we're going to give her some sturdy battle armor too. The other ones, they look like they got their military fatigues on. That's good. He's going to need... You know what? I'm going to give him this. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. Because he's only at 12, so I want him to get as many hit points as he possibly can. Man, they got some old weapons here. You're going to get that also. And you are going to get a level 32. Wow, the old shotgun things. Where are we at? We're on the E's. I guess I'm going to give you the sturdy battle armor also. Okay, that sounds good. Let's... You need people. You know, I can do this offline. Why don't we do that? Anyway, let's do one more thing. Let's go up here. Let's get a team together. You know what? I think that's all we got is a team. Ooh, that's a decent thing. But I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. And I don't know if we have the plasma rifles, let alone the level 42s. And this is 42s with 16 or better. I don't think we got that. Let's try this. Coffee, coffee, coffee. So that's good. You're good. Nicole, you're good. Can we give you something a little better than that, though? 16, 17? Yep. Take this. Dun, 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 dun. And then last person, Anna Peters. You're good. And let's see. You're got that, which is 17, 8. That's... You know what? One of them can actually have the amplified one. And you know what? The minigun is actually better. Check this team out. Let's go ahead and... Oh, nuts. I didn't want to do that. What kind of pet can we give you? Crafting, training, plus 2 damage. Okay, take Loki. There you go. Let's give you... Since this is the only team we're sending out, I'm going to give them 18 of those, 12 of these. And that's it, man. Go make it happen. Dun, 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 dun. They're out of here. 7th inning stretch. This is where we all get up and sing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game." Alright, that's it, guys. We are done. Like I said, if there's any fine-tuning, I'll do that offline. I'm sorry this one really turned out to be a... I don't want to say it was a grumpy episode. You know, I got grumpy today. I did, man. It wasn't pretty. There's No more a pathetic sight than watching a gnome throw a temper tantrum. And with that said, I think I'm out of here. 543. No, I forgot to give you my closing speech. Anyway, yeah, like it. Just smash like. Subscribe. Tell 10 people. Please. I'm out of here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.